Alright, so I just want to reiterate the dangers of LiPo battery charging. This is the second time I've seen this happen. It's the same exact brand of battery too. So at some point last night this was burning in my garage. And it left all that, I mean, there must have been a flame that shot out the back of it or something. Thankfully it didn't catch any of this other mess on fire. And the cat's like, "You should have seen it, boss." Thankfully it didn't damage the charger, because I got other batteries to charge. So I got the other battery hooked up. The charging leads were just a little smoked, but really there's no real damage to them. So let's go back to using it. Thankfully it didn't damage the charger either. And this is the same charger that was involved in the fire inside the house. On the bottom it's got a little bit of marks on it. You can't really tell if this thing had a fire in front of it. So hopefully this battery here won't do that too, because that's kind of concerning. Just about burnt the place down. But really, I originally had it sitting back here, so I'm glad it didn't catch fire on my nice Craftsman radio arm saw. That would have just been, that would have been awful. Got this off for $30 from my neighbor. It's like I would burn up by a $30 LiPo drone battery. Y'all be careful with your drones and stuff. Look, I just make this video just to let y'all know, look, those drone batteries really are a dangerous thing. It's not just in e-bikes and electric cars, but in your toys too. Be careful. They'll get you. Love you, and Jesus Christ richly bless you and your families. Y'all have a good rest of your year. Love you guys.